Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Can-Am Defender Max Limited. We just installed the OEM rock slider kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how they look and how they work. As you can see, the rock slider kit starts right here and goes all the way down across the bottom and up the top, giving you some extra protection against obstacles there. It also has a nice integrated step for elevated access to get up into your cargo box or any of your bed accessories. Nice and tight to the body of the machine. Looks really good. Great protection there for all the corners, coming from the front and the back and the sides. Installation's not too bad. There you can see the underneath side. Rounds off that corner really nice. Great product from Can-Am. Available at Big Pine Sports, 435-427-3338. You can call or text that number anytime. They are available for the two-door as well as all Max models. Have a great day, everybody.